Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do readings for the third week of June, which is from 22nd June to 28th June 2020, and I'm very happy for those who came forward and we had that personal tarot readings, and whatever was bothering them got answered with the help of tarot. So whosoever is watching this video and you also want to seek someone, whatever is bothering you mentally or anything, you can come forward and talk about your career, your health, your love, your relationships, your money, and everything you want to ask. And I'll be there to help you. You can contact me on my Instagram channel, which is Saloni Tarot Readings. If you can contact me on WhatsApp, and I have also mentioned my mail ID. I'll be looking forward to do the tarot readings personally for you people. So let's start with the first sign, which is Aries. So Aries, we have the most beautiful card of the tarot deck, which is the World card. So if you see this card, this says that one circle of your life is over now. Like whatever you have been going through, or whatever the crisis you were in, or whatever the struggle you were doing, it's like over now. All the positive things will come towards you, like whether it's terms of your relationship, whether it's career, your health will start recovering. You will pay attention to your health. It's a very, very beautiful card. It says that the world is in your feet. That is, you have all the achievements, all the opportunities. You will feel very financially secure, maybe any kind of contract, because this is a major card. Whenever a major card comes, it is kind of a major event that is going to happen in your life. So it can also indicate that you may get a good relationship from now onwards, and you would think of taking the next step also, like getting married or something. If I talk about from the point of view of career, so one black or one dark thing is going to get over, and a very new beautiful thing is going to start. So and you just see this card. It's very beautiful, and it's like a karmic card, like one karmic lesson you were supposed to have in your life is finally over. And I'm very happy for Aries. Finally, a very beautiful card which says that all your struggles are over and all your dark things are over, and now you are towards the very positive and very, like, it's like getting whatever you want in life, okay? And you will move towards good and better things. You will end, or you will just release yourself from the bad things happening from your life to move towards something very, very fruitful for you. So let me know, Aries, do you connect with this reading? And it's a very beautiful card. It is also towards your creativity, if you want to follow, and overall it's very, very good. And Aries, let me know, do you connect with my readings? And if anything is bothering you, you can also contact me personally for your personal readings. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it, comment it, that do you connect with my readings or not. Okay, so hi Taurus. Taurus, your card is Empress, and Empress is the most romantic card of tarot. Like, you are going to care for someone or getting romantically involved, or few of you can be that you might become a mother or you might get pregnant. So a very beautiful card for Taurus. And career wise, it means new opportunities, and it's a materialistic card, that whatever you want materialistically, you have those opportunities, you are going to get those opportunities. And being a major arcana card means a major event that is going to happen in your life, new romance, new opportunities, or a very, very positive card. Or it can also depict that you are giving yourself a lot of time, pampering, and meditating, or being in the nature and enjoying your life. It's a very, very beautiful card, Taurus. Utilize this week, and since it's a major event, this might be for following weeks or for the following month. And it's a very beautiful card. Empress is like a symbol of romance, symbol of pregnancy, symbol of new opportunities, a symbol of need nurturing, caring anybody. And when it's a Venus sign, it means that love is definitely going to be there. So let me know, Taurus, what is going on. Do you connect with my readings? And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment my channel. Okay, and if you want your personal readings, you can contact me. Whatever is bothering you, I will be there to help you.
Hi Gemini. So Geminis, we have Wheel of Fortune card for you, which says that that universe is there with you for whatever you want to achieve or whatever you were waiting for. So it's a very very good card. Like maybe you were waiting for any kind of good opportunity, maybe you were waiting for some kind of to achieve something. So you can put everything in action now, because this is a very good time which says that the destiny is with you. You will feel very fortunate, like you will try to achieve everything you can. So it's a very, you feel very lucky. So this week, if this is going to happen, this is a very good card, because this says that the fate is with you, the destiny is with you for new opportunities, to start something new, to for even for your business or your job you can start, or for even for a relationship. It's a very good card which says that things are going on the next level, or you might find your perfect one. So this is a very very good card and a very beautiful card. So let me know, Geminis, how do you feel about it, and do you connect with my readings? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment my channel and my video, and do let me know in the comment, do you relate or do you connect with my readings or not. Hi Cancers. So Cancers, we have Page of Wands for you. Okay, so Page of Wands is a very beautiful card in terms of career, okay, like, or in, you can say, in terms of finances, because this card shows that there is some kind of good news that is coming to you, either through a phone call or through a letter or through a word of mouth, like somebody is actually appraising you behind your back or something. They are spreading good things about you. Maybe you have done a lot of work for the previous week, so that now everything is getting in your favor, that you might get some kind of good news, and it will be very quick, like it will be very sudden. And rest, I see you with full of energy, full of passion. I see you fully excited and creative this week. And see, I can't say for everybody, but there is a short travel involved, like you might go out, you might meet friends or something like that. Not for everybody, but yes, it can be for few of you, that you might actually travel, maybe for work or maybe for like just for your personal meeting with friends or something. So it's a good card in terms of your career, in terms of your relation, in terms of your health. You might get some good news, like you are losing weight, or you just might get a good diet plan or something. And there is one thing which I want to say, that don't rush into things, because you are super excited and energetic this week. You might rush into things, you might feel that everything is boring or something. You might feel this for your relationship, I don't feel the spark or something, because you are overly energetic this week. So try to give some space, try to give a break to your relation or to your things, because you are super excited this week, maybe because it's next is your birthday month. So I see you making some plans or making some good exciting things around you. So let me know, Cancers, do you connect with my readings or not? And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet, and share it with your contacts as well. Maybe they might get a message, and if anything is bothering you personally, you may also contact me for your personal readings. Thank you. Hi Leos. So Leos, we have the Tower card and the Three of Swords for you. So something saddening is going on, maybe because Tower card is not the good card out of the tarot deck, because it says that there is a disaster coming. Like Three of Swords is related to heartbreaking news, or something heartbreaking incident is going to happen, and Tower is also related to some kind of destruction or damage that is going to happen. So Leos, be alert, because this card shows that, if you can see it, that there is swords in the heart, which says that somebody has stabbed you, somebody has deceived you, you are really badly hurt. And this card also shows that something has drastically ended, or which has totally broken your heart, or things are out of control for the next week, or for the following weeks. So Leos, if you are facing some kind of problem, you can contact me for your personal readings. Maybe I am able to make the detailed reading and find out whatever is going on, because this is something very bad, like a bad news, or somebody was deceiving you, somebody was so it's something very disaster or very damaging happening, okay, which has broken your heart and has made you very utterly sad. So let me know if you connect with this reading, and Leos, if such thing is happening, okay, talk to me and you can contact me, and let's see what is going on exactly. So let me know, Leos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because whenever you subscribe it, you will get a notification whenever I post a video. So thank you, Leos. Let me know in the comment section that do you connect with this reading, because it's really heartbreaking for me, because something really bad has happened or is going to happen. So be aware and be alert, and just see whatever is going on, okay. Hi Virgos. So Virgos, we have Page of Cups for the next week. So whenever a page kind of energy comes, there is Page of Cups, Wands, Pentacles and Swords. So every suit has a page card. So whenever a page card comes, it is a kind of a messenger. So if you see this person, he is holding this cup, and out of blue this fish pops out, and there is water. So when there is such kind of water elements around you, and there is a messenger here, so messages can be related to intuitions, messages can be related to your creative ideas, messages can be related to emotions, okay. So you will be dealing with a lot of emotions, with a lot of creative ideas, and with a lot of emotional things. So there are three things: emotional, intuitive and creativity. So out of blue you will have such kind of messages in front of you. You have to be very alert. You have to explore these ideas, whatever are coming to you creatively, or if it's about emotions, you should understand how to express those emotions, and if it's some kind of intuitions, you should actually pen it down, whatever the ideas, creative ideas you are getting in this week. So you should pen it down, that whatever you are getting, those may have a meaning, and it would be out of blue, like you will not know about it, you will just feel it, okay, because it is intuitive and emotions related. So let me know in the comment box, Virgos, do you feel this way, or do you connect with the readings? And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment my video. So, and if you think something is bothering you, do let me know, do contact me, so that we can have a personal reading for you. Thank you. Hello Librans. So Librans, we have death card for you. So don't worry, death card does not mean physical death, but it does mean that some things which were negative are going to end, or some kind of change is going to happen, some kind of transformations is going to happen for you for the coming weeks, because it's a major card. Major card is not a minor thing going on, it's a major event. So maybe some things will end for you, and or some things will change for you, okay. For example, if I talk about from the point of view of career, maybe you were facing a lot of problems, a lot of struggle, okay. So you want to end those things. Maybe you want to resign from the job, or maybe you want to quit from the you know job, or you want to change your job, or you're looking for the other job opportunities. So this will happen, okay. So things will end and something new will start, because the sun is rising here. If you see, the sun is rising here. Sun is rising means something positive is coming. That is why these things are going to end, okay, so that you can have the next positive things happen in your life. So never think that the death card is a negative thing. It says that whatever the negative was going is going to end and something positive is going to come in your life. So that is why this transformation is required, and that is why the death card comes. Or if it's a relationship, in relationships also, this means that whatever the negativity is going on, maybe you are doing it, maybe somebody is doing with you, so that is going to end, okay. And transformations are required, changes are required from your end, from the partner's end, that maybe things are going in a very negative manner, or you are struggling in that relationship. So now the time is that you actually change things for good, okay. If you want to save your relationship, you should start doing the transformations which is required to maintain that relationship. And if you can't, you have to end that relationship for good, okay, because this card says that the sun will rise only when you end these things. So let me know, Librans, do you feel this way, or do you connect with my readings? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you have not subscribed it yet, and share it with your friends and with your circle, so that everyone gets to know the messages, so that they can be alert and aware for the next week. Thank you, Librans. Have a good week ahead. Hi, Scorpios. So Scorpios, this week is very bright and positive for you, because we have the sun card here, and the sun is the most shining, most brightest thing for you. Because I see, can you see this child? He is just enjoying the nature, and sun is shining so bright. So all these things shows there is something new, opportunity for you, new beginnings for you, because sun is something very bright and positive. So this week is going to be as shiny as sun for you. So you might get new opportunities in job, or maybe for relationship. I say that things are going to be very great for relationship, and things will improve, and things will be very drastically change positively. So and you might get good job opportunities. You might find a good romantic person for you. Sun is like whatever you want, whatever you're waiting for is here for you to fulfill, okay. So let me know in the comment box below, Scorpios, do you feel like a sun, very energetic, bright, positive, and you are going to take this week very positively? So let me know in the comment box, Scorpios, do you feel this way, and do you connect with my readings? You can just like, subscribe, comment and share my video. That's all I want. And if you are facing any kind of problems that is mentally bothering you, you can contact me so that I can do your personal readings. You can trust me, everything will be confidential enough, because I take it very professionally, okay. So let me know, Scorpios, do you connect with this reading or not? Hi, Sagittarius. So Sagittarians, we have the Temperance card for you. So Temperance card says that like you will be very patient, or you have to be very patient for the next week, okay. You should be, or you feel very calm, you feel very moderated, you feel very balanced, or it's a message that keep things in a balanced manner. Don't become an extremist. Don't don't be so opinionated, or don't be so aggressive, okay, and be very calm, okay. Balance your emotions, And this card says if it's a message, then this means that you have to be very calm, patient, balanced. Or overall, I can say that this week is going to be very calm, patient, and balanced for you, because things are now very, you know your long term vision, but you're not rushing towards it. You're taking it very calmly, step by step. So these things say that hold your emotions. Can you see this person? So this is balancing between water and land. One foot in water, one foot in land. So this shows that you are trying to manage things, you are trying to balance things out, whether it's emotions, whether it's relations, whether it's your career, and you have to be very calm. If you see this person, closed eyes and meditating, very calm, very moderate, taking the middle road and not become an extremist. So this is going to be the week for you. Okay, I don't want any kind of extreme behavior or any kind of aggressive nature in this week, because it's going to be a very pleasant and a very calming week for you, because we have Empress with this, because Empress is a very nature loving and very, she's sitting very calmly and patiently. So she's just enjoying this time now. Okay, whether it's pampering herself and whether nurturing people, caring people around her, loving people around her, being in the nature. And when the Venus sign is here, it also means love and caring for a person, and it's a motherly figure. So more of a motherly love, caring someone, and it may also denote some pregnancy sign for you if you are expecting a baby or something. So it's a very good sign for Sagittarius, a very calm and a very patient week ahead of you. Okay, Sagittarians, do like, comment and subscribe my channel now. Okay. Hi Capricorn. So Capricorns, we have the Devil card for you and the Death card for you. So it's something very disturbing. So let us, Death card says that it doesn't mean physical death, but Death card says that something has to end or something has to change. Okay, you are done with the negativity now, because even the Devil card says that you are handling a lot of negativity around you. Devil card is something very negative. See, if you see this person, all are chained, like somebody is restricting, somebody is giving you such a lot of negativity that you are not able to do anything. You are not able to be productive, constructive enough, because something is so much bothering you, or some person is so much bothering you that you feel so restricted. Okay, and the Death card says that this negativity has to end, like it has to end, because this is something which is not making you think positively, live positively, and enjoy your life. Maybe this person, or maybe this energy, or whatever is around you which is actually affecting you a lot negatively, you have to end that. Okay, or you have to make the necessary changes in order to make it a very positive thing. Maybe if it's related to a person, then you have to talk to that person, maybe change things, maybe transform things, maybe agree to the transformations. If that person is not ready for the transformations, you have to end the things with that person. And if it's a kind of a situation which is bothering you, and if it's a very negative situation, okay, then also it requires to end and things to change, because if you will end, or whatever if the transformations takes place in your favor, then the sun will rise. Okay, and then things will be very positive. But you have to get rid of this person, or you have to make him understand whatever the negativity he is giving you, that I am fed up of the negativity, please try to understand and make the necessary changes to work out this relation, or to work out this arrangement between you two people, because it's something which is affecting you a lot, and this negativity has to end. and all the things have to change. Either you should take a stand to change the things, or either take a stand to end those things. And trust me guys, these two cards coming together is something very very negative, which is actually bothering you a lot. So do let me know in the comment box below, Capricorns, it's something bothering you. So let me know, we can have a personal reading for you guys, and try to make the changes, because both are the major arcana cards. Major cards means something majorly happening, okay? It's not a minor cards which is minorly affecting, it is majorly affecting. So make the changes or make things end, okay Capricorns? Be strong, okay? Let me know, Capricorns, do you connect with the readings? And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. That's all I want, okay? Thank you. Let's meet the next week and make these changes happen for you, okay? See you, Capricorns. Hi Aquarius. So Aquarius, we have the Moon card here, and we have Two of Pentacles here. So Moon card says that there are a lot of emotions going on right now, and for girls it might be hormonal imbalance, maybe menstruation cycle or something, that you are feeling so full of emotions and mood swings. At a moment you are happy, at the other moment you are crying or something. So this Moon card is full of emotions, okay? And you might also, or for few of you, it can be a reason that you are regretting on some kind of decisions that you have taken, like some kind of past decision, some kind of regretting is going on, that due to some past mistakes or some kind of past connections or some kind of things you are regretting a lot. Because I have Two of Pentacles here, so it says that whatever you are going through, you are juggling between them, like you are trying to balance, you are trying to come to a solution, but some things are really hitting you a lot, okay? Can you see these dogs barking? You feel it all the time, that dogs are barking around me, in my mind, continuously things are going on in my mind. What is happening? You're continuously thinking, you are continuously things are going on in your head, and you're trying to come to a kind of a balance situation, like what should I do, what should I not do. So maybe this week is going to be full of emotions, and you will try to balance things out, okay? And if it's for girls especially, or for women, I would must say it's a hormonal imbalance going on. Your hormones are maybe making you feel this way, that you are feeling emotions, you are feeling mood swings, you are feeling everything so stress out. So try to meditate, try to calm, try to be patient. This is just a week, this will go, okay? And I'll be back with the new reading for the next week. Maybe you don't have that kind of messages then. So let me know, Aquarius, are you feeling this way this week? And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and do comment if you connect with these readings, okay? Aquarians, take care of yourself and try to meditate, try to be calm, and just think that this is just a phase and this will go, okay? This is just a phase. So let me know, Aquarius, and if you think that something is bothering you a lot and you need answers for it, you can contact me for your personal readings. I will help you with my tarot to get a message, because there are 78 cards, okay? And even if you see the bottom of the deck, you are kind of stressful, you are kind of sleepless, because you are actually feeling a lot of emotions or whatever. So let me know, Aquarius, if you need your personal readings. I am there to help you. I am there to guide you with the help of tarot, okay? Aquarius, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hi Pisces. So Pisces, this week you might be dealing with some kind of intuitive powers, okay? You might get intuitions, you might get maybe you want to decide anything, okay, and you're not able to decide it. So it's all around intuitions, okay? Because I know Pisces, they have those intuitive powers in them. So if you are having those kind of intuitive things, okay, just eh, please write it down wherever you can. Just write it down and say whatever intuitions you had, maybe for any person you had, maybe for any situation you had, maybe for anything, any kind of intuitive messages are coming to you. So please follow your heart, please follow your mind, and see whatever the intuition messages you are getting, because this card says follow your heart, follow your intuitions, whatever your inner self is telling you, do that, okay? And this is all about, and don't reveal all kind of intuitions you are having, because if you see this person, he is carrying these intuitions and he is not showing, this person is not showing those intuitions to everyone, okay? So whatever intuitions you are having, you have to just write it down somewhere, and see whatever is going on in your mind, follow your heart to whatever situation you might get in the next week. This is the message for you, Pisces. So let me know, Pisces, do you connect with these readings? If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you, Pisces.